Sorry about that. I ran out of time. I've only got 15 minutes. I use Screencast-O-Matic free version to record my screen, and I've only got 15 minutes. I better check the time now, actually. Yeah, so I know what I'm doing. Right. So just to finish off then where we were. So this is just your summary of the previous works that you've done. Just put one-liners in there, and that's all you need to do. Okay. It's down to you how much you want to go back. I've sort of gone back to 2008 basically, which is sort of 12 years ago, and what I've sort of been up to. But I don't think there's any need really to go far back much further than about 10 years, unless unless it's relevant. There's only one job I've left in there, which was long. That's again the fact that I was a police officer. I use that because, as I said, it does in Facebook. It does attract some people to me because of that. I mean, it can turn some people off as well, but that's the only old sort of job I've left in there. Okay, then you've got space for your education. I didn't go to university, so I haven't got anything like that in there. That's just a good old comprehensive school. Didn't do me any harm. So I've just put that in there because some people search for schools that you are in and they want to connect to you because of the school that you're in. Up to you whether you do that or not. I've only put my secondary school in. That's it. If you went to university or something, I would say put it in for sure. Any sort of volunteer experience. Again, this is up to you whether you do this or not. It's not going to really impact whether you get an um, all-star profile or not. Again, I've left this in here because Facebook being a business, sorry, LinkedIn being a business platform, then Rotary is a business group. So there'll be a few Rotarians on LinkedIn, and the fact that I was a president of a Rotary club, it was actually when I lived in Thailand, as it says there. I became club president. Um, I'm classed as a oh, didn't want to do that. I'm classed as a past president. Sorry about that. Clicked the wrong thing. So yeah, I'm classed as a past president. So I've left it in there because again, it just might break down some barriers, or somebody might see it and say, "Oh, I was in Rotary" or whatever. So that's why I leave it in there. Then you've got your skills and endorsements. So these are people that have endorsed me. So they've actually said that I'm good at something. Okay, so I'll show you all of these. You want to get these if you can because they do help. So these are people that have endorsed me for various things. I've had 96 endorsements for social media marketing, 59 endorsements for business networking, 55 endorsements for social media, and then you've got the other ones here. So they're your top three, and then you've got your other ones here that people have endorsed me for. Now, I haven't asked for endorsements; they just endorsed me. Okay, some people have endorsed me for funny things. I mean, I don't know, relationship marketing. One person's endorsed me for that. Business strategy. One person's endorsed me for it. Event management. I don't quite know why, but there you go. So yeah, people are just endorse you. You can endorse other people, and they can endorse you. So there are people that I've been endorsed for. I've been endorsed for Facebook. I only got four. If you're on LinkedIn and connect to me, endorse me for Facebook, please. Can you? That'd be nice. Um, yeah, and then interpersonal skills as well. So again, these are what people have endorsed me for. Interpersonal skills, coaching, as you can see here, public speaking. Oh, you can see it all. So there's loads of things that people have endorsed me for, which is nice, and it helps with the all-star status. Then you've got your recommendations. You can give recommendations. So you can say I've given 13 and I've received 18. So these are people who have endorsed me for various things. But predominantly it's through business networking. I was heavily involved in that, as you would have seen with my careers in the past. So these are people that have taken the time to actually come out and give me a recommendation. It's like a testimonial, basically. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 18 and I've given away 13. And then you've got your interests here as well. And there's other things as well that you can do. But that just gives you an idea. So you do need to spend a bit of time on doing all this. The more that you do and the more you put in, the more you're going to get ranked as an all-star. Okay. Then to go to check out your network and things like that, if you go to My Network. So this is where you will see whether people are wanting to link up with you or not. So you see I've got no pending invitations at the moment. That's how many connections I've got, 1,757. These are people like, a little bit like Facebook, where Facebook recommend potential friends to you. It's the same here. So these are people that LinkedIn are saying that I might know from my industry. Okay, don't quite know where they get this from, because that's a tech consultant, a director, whatever that is. So, I mean, there's nothing there to do with network marketing. There's a sales. Oh, he's seeking senior sales opportunities at the moment. So, few people seeking jobs at the moment, I guess. And that's pages that they're bringing up as well, that they're saying that you might be interested in. Okay, so that's that there. Then you've got, if you click on these, are all clickable. You can go into who's in your connections, and if you need to search for anybody in particular, just put their name in there, and it will bring up their details here. So let's just go back again. Okay, so that really is it about getting your profile optimized as best as you can. So the key things is, let's get into, the key things are: get a banner done so you stand out, get your description done there, do your providing services, okay, do a good about me summary, okay, just giving a brief history to your work and your skills and things like that. Do a call to action at the end of that, okay, and then get your experience, that's your jobs, get them done as well, and make sure you tell people exactly what it is that you do. Okay. Now, I said I was going to show you a couple of profiles that haven't done any of this. So these are just people I've picked out at random. I don't know them. They're not connected to me. Okay, so this is some guy called Peter Stone. I've picked him up for a reason. So he's got a banner in there, but what does that mean? It says absolutely nothing at all. He's got no profile picture. Okay, why would I want to connect to this person? Okay, he's saying that he's network marketer. So at least he's put something in here to try and attract people to him. So if you're looking for network marketing, lead generation, career development, a social media specialist, well, that's a laugh. CV finishing service, hotel accommodation and holidays, get in touch today. Well, I mean, that is a little bit silly. He's at least made an attempt at it, but he's put far too much information in there. I mean, he's calling himself a social media specialist. He hasn't got a proper banner done. He's not even showing his face, his picture, which is ridiculous. So a little bit silly in the information that he's put down there. Okay, he's put his about me section very, very little. Look, lead generation, client engagement, recruitment, social media specialist again. He's no specialist. Training, apprenticeships, the £60 plumber, what the hell that means, P2S travel, and the hotel site. What does it tell you about him? Absolutely nothing. I mean, apart from he's a jack of all trades and probably a master of none. So, yeah, I mean, that's it really. Experience, so he's got some jobs down here. So business development manager for FE Travel. So he's given a little bit more information there. Okay. But he's doing that now. He's also a social media specialist, which he's not. He's got written nothing in about what he does. He's doing that obviously at the same time as doing this. Volunteer managing director. Okay. Yeah. So you see what I mean, Peter? If you do join me on my Facebook page, apologies. And this is somebody else that I picked up as well. Deborah Rothschild. So no banner picture. As you can see, it doesn't look very good. She's got a good profile picture. So that's quite good. Her name, she's just put president at DeborahRothschilds.com. What the hell does that tell you about her? What does she do? What is DeborahRothschilds.com? What does she do? How can she help me? What can I say? What do I know about her? Nothing at all. So she's put in a little bit about her in her summary section here, her about me section. So that's giving me a little bit more information about her. But she's missing a trick because she hasn't put anything up here. She needs to put a little summary up there, which is in that search field, so people can find her. Okay, and then she's got her experience here. President at Deborah Rothschilds from 1999 to now. DeborahRothschilds.com doesn't tell me anything about what she does. And she's a president at Self-Employed. Do you see what I say here? It's just doesn't give you any information at all. She's got very, very little. She's got some endorsements, but she's got very, very little, no interests, no education, nothing at all. Okay, so this will not be an all-star profile. And this will not be an all-star profile. Okay, so that just gives you some examples. All right, any questions as before, put them down below. I hope you found this useful. Get to work, optimize your profile, and use LinkedIn. I haven't found LinkedIn as good as Facebook or YouTube personally, but I know a lot of people that have. And it's all about driving as much free traffic to your various platforms as you can to get yourself optimized as best as you can, so you've got the best opportunity to actually engage with people and talk to them about how you can help them. All right, thank you very much, and I hope you found it useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.